Cutting across to breaking news coming in, Finance Ministry has asked its employees to strictly avoid the use of AI tools or AI apps on office devices. The directive of the Finance Ministry on AI to all its employees, where they have been strictly asked to avoid using any AI tools or any AI apps on office devices. This is the latest that is just coming in. We're learning from our sources that the Finance Ministry has put out a very strong diktat when it comes to artificial intelligence. The Finance Ministry in particular internally has asked all its employees to set up data protection measures and avoid the use of any artificial intelligence tools in office. Samiksha, my colleague, will join us shortly from the newsroom to give us further details of how the Finance Ministry has taken a decision on the same. They are implementing it and the message that it sends across. Samiksha.
That's right. I'm not sure if my audio is audible, Suyesha, but yes, that's the letter that we've been accessed, which has been addressed by the Finance Ministry to the officials, to the staffers, asking them to not use AI tools, especially the use of ChatGPT and even DeepSeek for that matter, for confidentiality purposes. The letter in which the Union Finance Ministry has asked employees to not use ChatGPT and DeepSeek for official uses. This also comes on the day when OpenAI CEO Sam Altman held a meet with IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav. The letter in which it has been clearly stated that for the use of confidentiality purposes, it's been advised to employees to refrain from making use of ChatGPT and even DeepSeek for that matter. Another advisory that was earlier issued on January 29th, in which the ministry had warned the risk of confidentiality of government data as well as documents. It was stated that it has been determined that AI tools and AI apps in office computers and devices pose risks of confidentiality of data and documents. It had even surfaced ahead of the visit of CEO Altman to the country. So yes, very significant that this advisory comes on the day when the IT minister held a meet with Sam Altman regarding the use of artificial intelligence. And Sam Altman also saying that India is going to be the growing leader when it comes to artificial intelligence, Suyesha. But categorically, Finance Minister making it clear that use of artificial AI tools, as of now, DeepSeek and even ChatGPT must be avoided under all circumstances.